Foggy Dew here, and she was a little cool this morning. I think it was about -7 degrees Celsius by the time we hit the trail here. We are just out. We are doing the Tucker Lake Crane Lake loop. Trails are awesome. You really can't fall through anywhere in regards to mud holes or anything like that. Anyways, guys, as always, hope you enjoy. Daughter may have found an antler of some sort here. Hey, cool. Yeah, small moose antler. You're right. It's in the ice.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can chisel that out.
Oh,
good
nice.
catch. How did you spot that?
Very
good eye, Mai. Holy crap.
I know.
All right, let's shut down the machines here, and we'll see if we can work away at that.
Yeah.
Very good. Clients want.
It's
I walked on it. Not yet. You gotta get around it and then under. He even knew what it was.
Yeah, she.
I know.
She's like, there's a moose antler back there.
You see, that's pretty close in.
You want me to hold it for you?
Switch.
again? Oh, there you go.
Moved.
There you go. Do it again. There you go.
Oh,
Hey! Show it.
show the camera.
Nice. Nicely done.
See it all, Lena? Nice night. Nice. Good find.
Oh, that is cool.
Daughter's pretty proud about that one.
There you go. Wow, nice.
Alright guys, we are at Happy Hollow, a small little lake. Used to have a bunch of trout in it. Don't know if it does anymore, but that's where we are right now. So, so far, pretty good trip. Daughter found a nice moose antler, that was pretty awesome. And now we're gonna stop here and have some hot dogs. So. Four-wheel drive coming up there, so see how the big red machine does. You gotta give her a bit. Close. More. Oh, jeez. Just about biffed her there. Oh man. Oh, there you go. That was a few tries to get up there with the big red machine, but he made her. Well, that's why I was like, you need momentum, right?
Oh, I knew that.
I know. That's what you said.
Well, if you can't make it up, you gotta hit it harder.
Well, we got ourselves a little predicament here. Glare ice on both sides, and the good machine, it fell through. So that's not good, so we're just over here checking things out to see if it's a little bit harder than it looks like it, eh?
You can make it here.
Yeah.
in there, Glenn. Get back in there. I'm not going to do that, but I do it.
So I've just learned that that was all Dad's winch.
No, I didn't say that.
You might have to push on the door. Yeah, there you go.
He's there in there.
Anybody? Nobody sleeping in here?
No, I think we're good.
Okay, let's go. You gotta check out the cabin. Yeah, there's really no. There's kind of lights. They're on a timer here. See?
Oh, yeah.
On a timer. Lights. So this is where the snowmobilers come and warm up. So they start a fire and warm up in here, and then they continue on. You gonna clean up the place?
No, no.
Folks, well there you have her, Tucker Lake, Crane Lake Loop conquered by the Big Red Machine and the Squeaky Limo. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.